Hello, everyone, and welcome to the General Knowledge and Current Affairs series, fourth part. In this particular series, we look at 50 questions under the section of General Knowledge and Current Affairs, which are applicable to a lot of MBA exams, whichever exam has this section of GK. So, as always, let's get started with the first question. Okay, we need to guess the brand from the incomplete logo given below. So we'll have a logo picture coming in right now. Okay, now this is the incomplete logo of one of the brands. We need to guess which brand is it. We have four options: Pinnacle, Delta Airlines, SpiceJet, and of course the dreadful none of the above. Let's look at the correct answer. The correct answer in this case is Delta Airlines. Now, Delta Airlines Inc., typically referred to as Delta, is one of the major airlines of the United States and a legacy carrier. It is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. Very important, guys. Atlanta, Georgia. Remember this as headquarters as well. You never know. You may be asked headquarters of international organizations or just brands in general as well. Okay, which of the following country officially accepted Yogasana as a competitive sport? Now, remember, guys, we're talking about a competitive sport here, okay, and Yogasana. So, let's look at the four options that we have: China, USA, India, Sri Lanka. Correct answer is answer option C, that is India. Now, the government of India has recently offered official recognition to yoga as a competitive sport as a push to make it a part of the Olympic Games eventually. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Which of the following is the currency of Australia? We have four options. Is it USD, Australian dollar, Australian pound, or none of the above? Correct answer in this case is Australian dollar. Australian dollar is the currency of Australia. Next one, another brand ambassador question. Who is the brand ambassador for Fossil in India? We have four options: Kareena Kapoor, Kriti Sanon, Sonu Sood, and again none of the above. The correct answer in this case is Kriti Sanon. Now, Kriti Sanon was recently appointed as the brand ambassador of Fossil for India. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Who won the Indian Film Personality of the Year award at the International Film Festival of India in 2021? So, couple of things to remember: Indian Film Personality of the Year, and which awards are these? These awards are International Film Festival of India 2021. We have four options: Hema Malini, Jaya Bachchan, Rekha, and none of the above. Correct answer in this case is answer option A, that is Hema Malini. Now, Hema Malini was honored with the Indian Film Personality of the Year 2021 award at the 52nd, another important point to note, 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India, IFFI, currently being held in Goa. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Okay. Which of the following is a book written by Sudha Murthy? We have four options: Indian Ethics, The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk, On the Run, and Why This Matters. The correct answer in this case is The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk. Okay, now the book contains extraordinary stories about ordinary people's lives over the years. Sudha Murthy has come across some fascinating people whose lives make for interesting stories and have astonishing lessons to reveal. That is what the book talks about. The book name is The Day I Stopped Drinking Milk. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, where is UNESCO headquartered? We have four options, and the correct answer is Paris, France. Okay, the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization is a specialized agency of the United Nations aimed at promoting world peace and security through international cooperation in education, the arts, the sciences, and the culture. Couple of things to remember is UNESCO's full form, which is United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Okay, what is the theme of the International Universal Health Coverage Day 2021? We have four options. Leave no one's health behind. Why is health a priority? Sustainable health coverage, and none of the above. Correct answer in this case is answer option A, that is, leave no one's health behind. Universal Health Coverage Day is observed every year on 12th of December. Now, according to the UN, this year's theme is leave no one behind when it comes to health, invest in health systems for all. Right, let's move on to the next question. Okay, who is the co-founder of Alibaba Group? This is a tricky question, guys, and I'll tell you why. We have four options. We have Jack Ma, Jackie Ma, John Ma, James Ma. To begin with, if you have basic understanding of the business world, you will be able to answer this question. The tricky part comes in when the word co-founder is given to you, because we are all under the assumption that Jack Ma is the founder of Alibaba Group, whereas in fact he's the co-founder of Alibaba Group. Another thing that makes this question tricky is the addition of Ma across the options and the first word starting with a J as well. In the exam, if you have time constraints, this can be a problem because you may get confused with the correct name. However, the correct name is Jack Ma. Okay. Now, Jack Ma Yun is a Chinese business magnate, investor, and philanthropist. He is the co-founder and former executive chairman of Alibaba Group, a multinational technology conglomerate. Right. Let's look at the next question. Okay. The tagline, because you are one of a kind, is associated with which of the following brands? We have four options: Classmate, Lexi, Manipal University, and Micromax. The correct answer, I hope you guys have been able to get this one. The answer is Classmate. Classmate came up with this entire ad campaign that talks about how your signature is different, and hence you need to have your own unique identity because you're one of a kind, and that they associated with the pen Classmate. Classmate is an Indian brand of student stationery products. ITC Limited launched its Classmate brand in the year 2003 with the notebooks category. Subsequently, Classmate added pens, pencils, mechanical pencils, and geometry boxes to its portfolio. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, we need to guess the brand from its incomplete new or old logo, which is given below, and that is this one. Okay, we have four options: Lycos, Penguin Books, Penguin Random House, Netscape. Now, the clear, easy way to go about answering this question is to narrow down between options B and C, but then you need to know between B and C which is the correct name to be used. The correct one is Penguin Random House. Now, Penguin Random House LLC is a multinational conglomerate publishing company formed in 2013 from the merger of Penguin Group and Random House. Let's move on to the next question. Okay. The player who won the Best Men's Player Award in FIFA in 2020 belonged to which of the following countries? We have three options and none of the above. The three options are Poland, Germany, Italy. The correct answer in this case is Poland. Captain of the Poland national football team, Robert Lewandowski, won the FIFA Best Men's Player Award in the year 2020. Suggest you have, I hope rather, you have noted down all of these questions so that you can revise it at your end. Ensure that before we release the next video, you have a basic understanding of all the questions we've covered so far. and all the very best.